Hello all. Today we are going to discuss about one inventory management scenario. The scenario is create storage location automatically during good receipt and goods issue. Create storage location means we want to do material master extension at storage location level during good receipt transaction and during goods issue transaction. So for this, first we'll consider one example. So if you go to the system, so there is one purchase order. Okay, we have created this purchase order we created for material raw hyphen mat 1, and it is created under plant ZP01 and 0003. And if you see here, okay, we don't have purchase order history tab, so it means for this purchase order still, okay, GR has not done yet. So now we'll try to perform good receipt for this purchase order. So in ECC, okay, if we want to do good receipt, so we were using MB01 transaction or MIGO transaction, right? But in S4HANA, if you try to perform good receipt with the transaction MB01, let's say here, okay, here I entered MB01 transaction, hit enter. So here, see, I am getting message transaction MB01 is obsolete. It means in S4HANA, we cannot use MB01 transaction for good receipt. So if you want to perform good receipt in S4HANA, either we need to use GUI transaction MIGO, or we need to use Fury application post goods movement. So I will show you good receipt through this GUI transaction MIGO. So here execute transaction code MIGO. So as we want to do good receipt, so here I will select action as a good receipt. In reference document, we will select reference document as a purchase order. Here we will enter our purchase order number. Let's say our purchase order number is 510. Yeah, and hit enter. So make sure the movement type, okay, for good receipt against purchase order, the movement type is 101. So make sure this movement type 101, it will be same at header level as well as at item level. So at item level we can see movement type in where tab. So in where tab the movement type is 101. So at header and at item level, at both places movement type is 101. Then also observe all the details which are populated automatically from purchase order. So in material tab, here we can see material details. Then quantity tab, here we can see the quantity which we ordered. It's a 10 quantity, and here quantity is 10. Actually we have received, physically we received 10 quantity, so here we will enter 10 quantity. In where tab, here observe plant and store location information. Then purchase order data tab, observe purchase order and respective line item number. Then in partner tab, here you can see vendor information. In account assignment tab, here you can see account assignment details. As we have not created, as in purchase order we don't have any account assignment category, that's why in account assignment it will show blank. So as all details are populated correctly, so we'll proceed for good receipt. So select item OK checkbox, click on check button to check if there is any error. Yeah, so here we have received one error. What is the error? Material raw hyphen mat 1 ZP01 0003 does not exist. What is this error? Let me copy this error. Material raw hyphen mat 1 ZP01 0003 does not. It means this material is not extended to this plant and storage location combination. ZP01 is a plant and 0003 is a storage location. So if you want to check whether this material is extended to this plant and storage location or not, how you can check? One is, okay, you can directly pass this material in table. Let's say first of all I want to check plant extension. So how you can check? So for plant extension, you can use, you can first of all you need to execute SS69 transaction, then enter table name MARC, MARC. Here enter your material code and plant code. So our plant is ZP01. Click on execute. So here you can see this material is extended to this plant. It means plant extension is present. Now we'll check storage location extension. So for storage extension, we need to use table MARD, MARD. Same, enter material and plant details. Okay, here intentionally I am just keeping storage location field blank. Let's see to which all the storage locations this material is extended. Okay, currently extended. So I am just keeping this storage location field blank. Click on execute. So here you can see this material is currently extended to 0001 storage and 0002 storage, but in error we are getting error for 0003 storage location. It means this material raw-mat1 is not extended to 0003 storage. Okay, we can check this storage extension through MARD table. Second option is, if you go to MM03 transaction display material master, enter your material code, press enter and select any storage location view. Let's say here I am selecting plant data storage 1 view. Click on OR level button. Here enter your plant code. Let's say my plant code is ZP01. Okay, or else if you keep this plant field blank and click on this drop down option to check to which all the plant this material is extended. So here you can see this first maintenance entry maintained X means this material is extended to this plant. So currently here you can see this X indicator. This X indicator is maintained for plant RP01 as well as for plant ZP01. It means this material is extended for RP01 plant as well as for ZP01 plant. Same thing we'll check for storage location. Again click on drop down option to check, okay, to which all the plant storage combination this material is currently extended. So here it is showing this material is extended to this RP01 0001 plant storage combination, then ZP01 0001 plant storage combination, same ZP01 0002 plant storage combination. Here we don't have entry for ZP01 0003 plant storage combination. So by these two methods we can check, okay, to which all the plant storage material is currently extended. Now we understood, okay, as this material is not extended to 0003, system will not allow to perform good reset. Okay, here you can see this is the hard stop. Okay, system will not allow, okay, to perform good reset until this issue gets fixed. So to fix this issue, what we need to do? We want to extend this material, or we want to create this material under plant ZP01 and 0003 storage. So how you can do to extend material to this plant storage combination? Okay, we can use MM01 transaction. In MM01 transaction, enter that material code, then enter integrator material type. It is click on select view, then select views like plant data storage 1, plant data storage 2, and enter required details and then save. This is the one method by which you can extend your material to a plant storage combination. If you don't want to extend this method, because generally, okay, generally end users doesn't have this MM01 access. So in that case, what they need to do, they need to raise a request to MDM team, master team or support team to extend this material to the required solution. But the second method is, okay, suppose we don't want to this, okay, we don't want to request any team to extend this material to respective solution. Instead of that, okay, what my requirement is, my requirement is, okay, if let's say there is no extension, okay, we found, okay, there is no extension for 0003 solution, but my requirement is if there is no extension available, then during good reset system should automatically extend this material to this plant solution combination. So if you want to create material master extension for this missing 0003 solution, so for this we need to maintain configuration setting. So to do this extension automatically during good reset or good issue, so we need to maintain configuration setting. So what are the configuration setting? So the configuration setting is, if you follow this configuration setting, SPRO, IMG, materials management, inventory management and physical inventory. Under inventory management and physical inventory, go to good receipt, and under good receipt we have one configuration node, create store location automatically. Okay, so under this create solution automatically, okay, we need to maintain configuration setting. So we'll check this configuration path in the system. So click on back button, then click on no. So what is the configuration path? SPRO, click on IMG, then materials management. Under materials management, inventory management and physical inventory. Then go to good receipt. Under good receipt we have one configuration node, create store location automatically. Click on execute button. So one pop-up will get, okay, pop-up. So here we have two options, create solution automatically, then create solution per plant automatically. So first of all, double click on this create solution per plant automatically. So what is the purpose of this setting? So if you want to if you want to do automatic creation of store location per plant, so at plant level, first of all we need to set checkbox. So if you go to plant, so click on position, search your plant. So our plant is ZP01. So at plant level we need to select create solution automatically indicator. So here we are selecting create solution automatically indicator for our plant ZP01. Click continue button, then save. Click on back button, then double click on create solution automatically. So here at movement type level we need to select create solution automatically indicator. Okay, so this type of questions will ask in interview. So for automatic solution creation, what is the configuration setting we need to maintain, and at what level we need to select the solution automatic creation checkbox or indicator. So here as we are using 101 movement type, so here we'll select create solution automatically indicator for 101. So like this you can select checkbox for 501 movement, okay, for 561, okay, which all the movement, okay, you are using for good reset. So for that movement you can select this create solution automatically indicator. Click on save, click on continue. Yeah, so now we have maintained required configuration setting. Now we'll try to perform good reset again for that purchase order. What is our purchase order? Our purchase order is 510. Okay, let me copy this purchase order number. Again go to Mego transaction, same, select action as a good reset, reference document as a purchase order, enter your purchase order number. Here movement type is 101 at header level, then hit enter. At item level also verify all the informations. Material number is material is raw hyphen mat 1. In quantity tab, quantity is 10. In where tab, Okay, movement type is 101 item level, and plant and solution information is also correct. So all information, okay, are correct. Then select item okay checkbox and click on check button. So see, so before maintaining configuration setting, we were receiving error, but now as we have maintained create solution automatically config setting, so now okay we are not getting error, right? So here we are getting message as a document is okay for post. So now as there is no any error, so we will click on post button. Okay, so we receive message material document is posted. It means good receipt is posted. If you want to open same document in display mode, how you can open? In the action field select display. In reference document select material document, enter your material document number here, hit enter. So here you can check material document in a display mode. So here you can see in where tab we have received this material under plant ZP01 and 0003 solution. How much quantity we receive? We receive 10 quantity. So if you want to check stock of this material, how you can check? Let me open one more screen. So execute transaction code MMBE. In MMBE enter material code plant. Okay, I'm not entering solution, or here, or you can enter solution 0003. Click on execute. So see here it is showing 0003. At 0003 solution level, how much stock it is showing? 10. But at plant level it is showing 20. Why it is showing 20? Because if I remove this solution and again click on execute, so here it will show to which all the solution this stock is currently available. So under this ZP01 plant, 10 total how many stock is available? 20 stock is available under ZP01 plant, but under this plant we have a 10 quantity in 0002 solution and 10 quantity in 0003 storage location. Now if we go to MARD table and just click on refresh button, so here you can see, so system system extended this material to plant ZP01 and 0003 solution combination. Same thing we can check via MM03 transaction. So if you go to MM03, enter material code, click on select view and select store location view. Let's say I am selecting plant data storage 1 view. Click on org level. So here we will enter our plant. So our plant is ZP. Okay, remove plant and solution information. Click on drop down option. So here you can see plant extension, which was already we observed, right? Then add solution level, add solution field. Click on drop down option. So here you can see earlier it was showing 3 records, but now it is showing 4 records. Okay, ZP01 0003 plant solution combination, and for that, okay, this maintained entry indicator is X. So here I am entering ZP01 and 0003. So you can open this material master, okay, plant data storage 1 view for this ZP01 0003 plant solution combination. So this is how we can create store location automatically during good reset. But now my requirement is, let's say first of all we'll check what all the solutions are available under plant ZP01. So we have 0001, 0002, 0003. Let me create one more storage location, 0004. Okay. Click on save. Okay, so we have 4 store location available, and out of this 4 solution This material is extended to 0001, 0002, 0002 and 0003. Now, okay, my requirement is, let me check stock. So for this material, okay, we have stock available under 0002, 0003 store location, and I want to issue some quantity to the cost center. Okay, for this material, I want to issue some quantity to the cost center. Okay, for this material. So for to issue material to the cost center, what transaction code we need to use? To issue material to the cost center, we need to use transaction MIGO. So go to MIGO transaction, select action as a goods issue because we want to issue, right? So here I am selecting goods issue. In a reference document, I will select other. Then for goods issue to cost center, what movement type we need to use? Movement type will be 201. So here in material tab, here I will enter material code raw-mat1. Then in quantity tab, here I will enter quantity which I want to issue. So let's say I want to issue 4 quantity. Then go to where tab. Here I will enter okay, the movement I will automatically populate 201. Here I will enter plant code. Let's say our plant code is ZP01. Now my requirement is I want to issue material from 0004 store location, because at 0003 store location, okay, all loading points are busy. That's why I want to issue material from 0003, okay, location. So here I have selected 0003. Here I have selected okay, I have selected item, okay, checkbox and click on check button. So here we are getting enter cost center, as we have not maintained cost center information. So as I don't know cost center, so what I will do, I will click on drop down option and I will search cost center from here. So I want to see, okay, what all the cost centers are available under my company code. So here I will enter ZC01 company code, click on search button. So I have this cost center available, test CS01. So I will select this cost center and I will again click on check button. So here I am getting error message, raw-mat1 ZP01 does not exist. What does this mean? This means this material is not extended to this plant store location combination. We already saw this material is extended to ZP01, but it is not extended to this storage location 0001. That's why we are getting this error. But we want to do extension automatically. We want to do this extension automatically during goods issued transaction. So for this we need to maintain configuration setting. So we'll maintain configuration setting. So go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, materials management, purchasing. Under purchase, so not purchasing, SAP IMG, go to materials management, inventory management and physical inventory. As we are doing goods issue, so we'll go to goods issue transfer posting. So here also we have configuration node available, create store location automatically. So click on execute. Okay, here also you will get one pop-up, create station automatically, create station per plant automatically. So double click on this per plant automatically, click on position, search your plant. So our plant is ZP01. So at plant level already we have selected create station automatically indicator. So we are okay with this. Click on back button, then double click on create station automatically. So here we need to select this indicator at movement type level. So here I want to do station extension automatically for 201 movement. So here I will select this create station automatically indicator for 201 movement type and we'll click on save button. Yeah, so we have maintained this create solution automatically configuration setting. Now we'll try to perform goods issue again. Okay, again go to Migo transaction, select action as a goods issue, then reference document as a other, movement tab will be 201, scroll down, in material tab enter material code, our material is raw -mat1, in quantity tab we'll enter quantity, its a quantity is 4, in where tab here we'll enter our plant and solution. So I want to issue material from 0004, and in account assignment tab here we will enter cost center information because cost center is mandatory for 201 movement. So here I am selecting, here I am entering cost center information. Now we'll click on check button. Okay, still we are getting error, raw material ZP010001 does not exist. Why? Because to issue material, as we don't have stock available. Okay, as we have stock available at 0004? No, right? So if you want to issue material, from okay, if you want to issue material, so there is one more setting we need to maintain. And what is that setting? Go to configuration setting again, SPRO IMG, materials management, inventory management and physical inventory, goods issue transfer posting, allow negative stock, here we need to select allow negative stock indicator at valuation area level. So our valuation area is ZP01, then select valuation area, row, double click on plant. Here you can select to which all the special stock, okay, to whichever the solution, whichever the special stock you want to allow negative stock. For that special stock you can select this checkbox and then double click on solution. So at store location level also we need to select checkbox negative stock allowed indicator. So at 0004 we are selecting this negative stock allowed indicator. Click on save. Then apart from that we need to maintain one more thing. Go to material master data, select org level, okay, click on select view, select plant data storage to view, click on org level button, enter plant code ZP01 and select negative stock in plant checkbox. So in plant data storage to view we need to select this negative stock in plant indicator for that material. Click on save. Now we'll try to perform goods issue for the material. So go to Migo transaction, again enter action as a goods issue, select reference document as the other, movement tab, observe movement tab 201, then at item level enter material detail, quantity which you want to issue, then in where tab enter plant and storage location information. Okay, so here I want to issue material from plant ZP01 and solution 0004. In account assignment tab enter cost center details, click on check button. See, earlier we were getting error message, but now we are getting warning message. It means okay, now system is saying okay, yeah, we don't have stock available, okay, in this plant solution combination ZP01 0004. If you go to stock overview screen, so here you can see stock is currently available in 0002 and 0003, but stock, we don't have stock in 0004, but still, okay, as we have maintained configuration setting, so okay, we are getting warning message. It means, okay, we can override this warning message and we can do further posting. So click on the continue button. I want to do posting, so click on post button. So document has posted. So if you want to open the same document in display mode, select action as a display, reference document, model document, enter the model document number, then hit enter button. So here you can open model document in display mode. Here you observe all details. Okay, what material we issued, raw hyphen mat 1, how much quantity we issued, 4 quantity we issued, with what movement type we issued, with movement type 201, from which plant, which store location we issued, from this plant and this station we issued this material. And in account assignment tab, here you can see cost center and GL account information, which determined automatically from GL account mapping setting. So as we already saw, right, this material was not extended to this ZP01 and 0004, but as we maintain create station automatically setting, now, okay, what system did in the backend, system created this material master extension to this 0004 storage location. So if you go to MARD table and just click on refresh button, so it will show material master extension to this plant store location combination. It means while goods issue, what system did? System parallelly created material master extension to this plant and store location combination, and then, okay, it did perform goods issue. Right? Same thing we can check in MM03. So if I go to MM03 transaction, click on OR level button, sorry, click on select views, select store location view, click on OR level button, remove this default plant solution, click on drop down for plant. So here you can see ZP01 plant extension in solution, select click on drop down option. Here you can see this extension currently available for ZP01 and 04 solution. Okay, I am selecting ZP01 and 0004, click on continue button. So this material master extension is currently available for ZP01 and 0004. So with this setting, okay, what system will do? System will automatically create plant solution extension. We don't need to raise request for MDM team or support team for material master extension. So for this goods issue, so if you want to do material master extension during goods issue, so what are the settings we need to maintain? So during goods issue, if you want to do material master extension at store location level, so we need to maintain, okay, 3 prerequisites. What are those prerequisites? First prerequisite is, we under goods issue we need to maintain create station automatically. So in this setting we select create station automatically indicator at plant level as well as at movement type level. If we click on execute, so in this, okay, we maintain create station automatically indicator at movement type level. Here we maintain create station automatically indicator at plant level. Then second thing, in this negative, allow negative stock, okay, here we need to select negative stock allowed indicator at valuation area level. Then at plant station level also we need to select negative stock allowed indicator. This is the second prerequisite. And third prerequisite is, in material master plant data storage to view, in material master plant data storage to view, we need to select negative stock in plant indicator, negative stock in plant indicator. So these are the 3 prerequisites we need to maintain for storage location creation automatically during goods issue. Now if I go to stock overview and if I click on refresh button, so here what happened, as the stock, okay, we didn't have stock for 0004, so that's why the stock level it fall it went to negative. Okay, it went to negative because earlier we don't have stock, right? So that's why, okay, it went to negative 4 minus. So once, okay, we do good reset, so it will, okay, just do plus minus, and then it will automatically adjust this stock under this 0004 storage location. So this is about create solution automatically during good receipt and goods issue transaction. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for watching and keep learning. Bye.